aborokiwa b'eskuru y'amanyaruka ya St Angela Sengera ritwala rero ningo babwato umuyego monene obwo chengerege koro osoyo manyikanite buna cultural day okwana chinga kichogo chengera umuyego yo mwalimu monene bw'eskuru yo Sister Maria Goret Sesera nigata obunene nchira yemo yogo konya aborokiwa kworokia ebyo gosebye byabo nabo igo ko anchana abarabwase abanyanenge kora nigo bakorwase ebisakwe binge abana bo barigo nigo bagokera umuyego yo asiba bakworokia ebyegwa byabo ao
My name is Sister Maria Goret Sesera, the principal of St Angela Sengera Girls. Yearly we have cultural day, and also it's coupled with the talents. Why do we usually have cultural day? It's because our school is endowed with the various cultures in our country. And through this cultural day, each student is able to appreciate the culture of the other. And through that also it encourages the students to have unity as all are Kenyans. And also during this day, the girls are able to showcase their talents, what they are good in, and also for future they can improve on and become models in our country. The cultural day is a learning moment because girls are able to be assertive as they present different and various activities. They are able to improve their language, especially English and Kiswahili, and not only that, also their vernacular, which is very important as Kenyans.